Hi, I'm Brandon Hawkins, North American Agriculture Sales Manager for JCB North America. We're here today with our 1CXT JCB mini backhoe, 49 horsepower. It's a combination of a mini excavator and a skid steer. So you get the dig depth of just over 10 feet with the extending dipper on the back, and you get a 12 feet reach out the side. So cleaning ditches, fixing field tile, any of that type of work. On the front side, you have the loader end that does have a skid steer coupler on the front, so all of your skid steer attachments will work on there. And you do have a high flow option there, so you can run a trencher or anything like that, put pallet forks on it, grapple bucket. It's all joystick controlled machine built into the seat, operate it just like a normal backhoe, but with the joysticks. We're at the digger end of the 1CXT here. We are showing the extension part. So with the extension out, you have just over 10 feet 1 inch of digging depth, and you have a 12 feet reach. So if you're cleaning out ditches, fixing field tile, cleaning the edges of a pond, you have that reach without moving, and then you can still dig as deep as just over 10 feet. You do have a slide option, so you can dig those square holes. You can get up to buildings, next to a barn if you're putting in any water lines or drainage. You have just over 10 feet of dig depth, and you have just over 12 feet of reach. For more information, you can visit jcb.com or your local JCB dealer.